Hey guys, welcome back to Sizzles Diaries. I'm your host Becky, and in today's segment, I'm going to show you how I make my homemade, organic, clear, odor-free Omanghete oil. That's in my local vernacular. We also call it Mongongo oil, Mangetti oil, or popular name is Oombeke oil. So stay tuned till the end as I attempt to give you more information on this liquid gold. So this is Omanghete. It's actually another name for the nut itself. I used 1 kg of Omanghete or the nuts themselves, and I grinded them with a coffee grinder in 3 portions. Please do not overcrowd your grinder, otherwise it will not work out properly. So you need to just put in a little bit to make sure that it helps your grinder spin without being overcrowded. With so many great benefits and uses, one should be able to make your own Omanghete or Oombeke oil at home. Once done, place them in a container like this and begin to shred the bits and pieces apart. So if you are in town like I am, honestly this is the only best next option. So if you are in town and you have a mortar and pestle, I will suggest you use what you got, but this is what I have for now and I'm gonna use it. So the next step, you're gonna pour in warm water, but just make sure that you pour in a teensy bit, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons, and begin to pound and mix. By using warm water to moderately hot water, you actually get to extract more oil than lukewarm water. Did you know Mangetti nut are named after one of Namibia's national park, the Mangetti National Park, which is situated in the Kalahari Desert woodland. The Kalahari Desert is home to one of the largest population of San people, which are the oldest inhabitants of Namibia. Mangetti nut are a staple amongst the San community and are believed to be an elixir of youth. Omanghete oil is used for rapid hair growth. It conditions and revitalizes hair. It's also used as a massage oil. This oil is also good for your skin because it's non-greasy and it absorbs faster in the skin, leaving it very smooth, soft, and very beautiful. It's also best for your cuticles and conditioning your lips. Mangetti oil is also used for preparing some of Namibia's most famous traditional dishes, from stews to soups, and it's very good to cook with. The other thing is that Mangetti oil has a very long shelf life. You can store it up to 6 months or a year in your kitchen pantry or your cupboard. So the next step involves cooking the paste on a very high heat to extract maximum oil from the paste. Add a cup of boiled water to the paste in the pan and continue to mix the paste until it forms a very smooth and soft kind of like grits texture. Add another cup of boiled water and continue to stir just for a little while, and then it's off to the strainer. Run your smooth paste under a strainer, separating, you see those little black bits. You want to separate the chaff from the fluid. Make sure to add more warm water to the pan in order to make sure that you extract all the fluids, because this is the fluid that's going to help us extract the oil. Keep doing so until all the chaff are separated from the liquid. Another thing is the chaff here, I usually just rinse it out and I use it as a bath scrub or feet scrub. I just add it to my bath rag and soap, and then I just use it as a scrub. I also use it as a lip exfoliator. So Omanghete oil has so many great benefits, and this is the results. For this next step, you're gonna use a clean pan and return the liquid mixture back to the heat, making sure that you drain it very well. So there we go. You can see the oil right there. Drain the oil from the pulp. making sure to let gravity do its job. Come back after an hour and a half and you'll have a perfect bowl of Omanghete oil. As usual, be sure to check out the description box for more information, tips, tricks, recipes, and in-depth detail of this video's information. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to me already, thank you so much. I'll appreciate if you do that. Let's chat up in the comment section and I promise I'll get back to you. I always try to reply to all comments. If you have any recommendation on any future videos, hit me up and let's get going. I would also like to thank my model for this video, my sister. I'll also be sure to link her channel in the description box. Thank you so much, homies and lifters. God bless you and I appreciate you. Bye, besties.